Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mehndi and today we are going to change the ORVM or outside rear view mirror switch on my Mark 5 6C6R VW Polo. Before moving ahead, I just wanted to tell you the reason why I'm changing the switch. So the illumination on my OEM switch doesn't work. It means when I switch on the lights, everything on the door handle, the center console, the infotainment lights up but the switch doesn't. So I bought a new switch for it and we are going to replace it with the OEM one. We have to remove this trim first, and after that we'll remove the connector from the old switch and put back the new switch. So for removing this trim, you need a trim remover or a debit card. I am doing it with the help of a debit card. So try to put the debit card in here. There is a slight, very small gap between the trim, and try to pull out the door handle trim. Don't apply too much force, otherwise you will break the clips of the trim. So the trim has come out. We'll be removing the connector with the help of a flathead screwdriver. Just try to pull the connector out. Now we'll put the new switch and place the connector and lock the connector. Now we'll be putting the switch back on the trim. And then we'll place the trim back to its original place. So it was very easy to replace the ORVM switch. Now we'll check the illumination, if it is lighting up or not. So the switch is lighting up, and now we'll check the functioning of it. So the switch is working properly. The ORVM is open, and now we'll close the ORVM. So it makes the ambient of my car look good, and because the OEM switch was not illuminated, so it was not looking good. If you like my content, then please support me so I can come up with more informative videos on VAC cars like this. And if you like my content, then please give me a like, and a subscription will be appreciated.